Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to upgrade to Beacons.AI Creator Pro. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Beacons, and as you can see on the left sidebar you have this option which is Beacons Pro, and basically you can upgrade to the Pro version. Now if you can see this here, you're gonna have to simply click on your account and then simply go to account settings, then go to billing, and then here you're gonna have the option to go Pro. So simply click on upgrade, and then here you're gonna have to select Creator Pro, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on upgrade to Creator Pro, and now you're gonna have to simply use a custom domain and then simply click on claim. As you can see, you're gonna receive a free custom domain, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply enter your payment details, and if you want you can use PayPal or Google Pay, and then simply click on pay, and that's it. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.